for the Grizzlies. To change oil, you need a ratchet, an extension, a smaller oil filter socket, 17mm socket for the drain plug, and the crush washer for the drain plug. If you don't put one of these on when you change oil, it'll start leaking again slowly and seeping on the trail. You're gonna need your drain pan, your oil and filter. We're using the Yamaha oil change kit because they're still under warranty. And then after, we'll show you how to do the air filter. Alright, take your drain pan. Take your drain plug, get that old crush washer off, clean it off if you haven't already. Get the crush washer out. Back underneath. Make sure you torque your drain plug down, don't just crank on it like I do. And you're going to need a funnel if you don't have one of these little spouts on the jug here. These things take about 2 liters or 2.2 quarts or something. change, and now we'll move on to the air filter. Alright, so I changed the air filter on one of these new Grizzlies. I'm going to pull the seat off. 4 little clips here in the air box. I want some gloves for this. Shit gets all over your hands. Take the filter and pull the dirty filter off this little cage thing. So to clean your air filter for your 4-wheeler or dirt bike, it's all about the same. People use different things. Some use acetone, some use gas. I use brake clean. It's pretty much the same thing as filter cleaner. Rub all that oil in so it absorbs all that. Clean filter back on. Bit of a pain in the ass sometimes. Make sure the ends of the filter get inside this little metal lip. Put it back on the end piece. Now I like to take a little bit of white grease because these stock air boxes don't seal very good. A little bit white grease all the way around. And then rub it in. This just helps it seal a little bit better. Keeps a little bit less dust from actually going in. Put the filter back in the air box. The lid back on. That's it. Filter's changed. You're good to go riding.